So in today's video, I am going to show you guys my new toy, my new planner toy. If you saw my last video and you saw my Hobby Lobby, craft store, Michael's, Joann's, my haul, you saw this little box right here. And so I just want to open it with you guys and show you guys what's in it. Now, this box is from the Hobby Lobby store. It is called the Cinch, and what it does is creates planners and books and journals such as this, where you can make a hardcover and then have a wire, a wire binding on it with a back cover using chipboard and a sticker that you place on it. And so you can create your own journal. This is the LOL journal that I got from Hobby Lobby as well. Love these girls right here. And this book was only $9.99. It's only lined paper, so there isn't anything else in it besides lined paper for you to write in with a decorative siding. So it's like built-in washi. Alright, so let me show you guys what is in the bag. So on the box it actually tells you it's a binding tool. It's 3 simple steps. It punches holes, it threads the sheets, as well as cinch the wires. And this product is a HeidiSwapp product, but it is produced by the We Are Memory Keepers, and that is from Hobby Lobby. This normally runs about $130, maybe $140, depending on where you get it from. But I actually got it on sale at Hobby Lobby for about $80. And when I went to Hobby Lobby, this was actually the last one. And I heard they actually sell it at Michael's and AC Moore, but I went to our local Michael's and AC Moore and our Joann's, and I have not seen this in stock. Now, our Joann's actually has some HeidiSwapp products such as the journals, the journal books, and some of their other things, but I have never seen this in our Joann's. And then actually today I went to Michael's and I saw just a few things in there, but not a whole lot from Michael's. Alright, so this is the window, the box in the window. Again, it tells you the 3 simple steps that it uses. It tells you the sizing of the binds as well as the hole pitch. And this one actually was $129.99. The sticker was still on it. And I got it for $79. And so the first thing is, in French it says, and I don't know what the back of it is, so hopefully, oh, here's the English. So maybe someone opened it. So this is not in English, although it says instructions. So French. I don't know what the rest of, I don't know what these other languages are, but okay, here's English. Alright, so it does have the English instructions on the inside. So it's telling you how to get started. It's telling you about the threads, how you need a wire cutter, the cinching part, and then some accessories. It says, more than just crafting, the cinch is perfect for many projects, including office projects, school projects, notebooks, journals, reports, calendars, albums, punching fun borders, lacing ribbon through holes. So those are some of the other things that it actually does. And I think these are all in different languages. I think that is Dutch. So it's French, Dutch, English, and I don't know what other languages. So let's see if I can get the No, Spanish is on here. I couldn't get the English back up top. That's okay. Maybe I should slide it out. So I'll do it this way. It's pretty heavy. Kind of heavy, I guess. And so I just opened it up and there's nothing else in the box besides this and some ripped plastic. So I'm assuming maybe somebody returned it, because there was only one. So maybe somebody returned it. So hopefully it works. Hopefully there's like not any malfunctions with it. And so it has some measurements on here. This looks like a ruler, and the ruler slides out. And I'll bring that up for you guys. And the number 1 is the punch, number 2 is the binding, and then I guess number 3 will be the cinch. It doesn't have a number, but it does have measurements. So I guess it's telling you, according to the rings maybe, what size rings to cinch. And then it has push buttons. Now I haven't tried this before, but I did see the videos, and I know like you push the buttons up or down. There you go. So this is the handle, I guess, that does the hole punching. Yeah. And then from the videos, if you don't want, oh my gosh, if you don't want one of the holes, you're supposed to push it down or something. Or do you pull it out? I'm gonna go to the trusty instructions really quick. Alright, so you pull out the pegs to disengage, and then you push them in to engage. So since I'm here, let's just grab a piece of paper. I'm just gonna put a piece of paper in, and let's just see how this works. So all of them look to be in. I don't know what the in is gonna do. But as I'm going down, like different ones are going up and different ones are coming down. And so it looked like it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it tells me on the side. So it's 12 holes here. And let's see if it gave me 12 holes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it gave me all 12. All 12 here. So I am going to pull out one of them. And punch. Okay, so I see that this actually did stay up. That was number 6. And right, so pulling it out does alleviate that hole. So punch number 6 did not go through. All right, so we know that it works. At least. It did not come with any supplies. This is the hook that, oh, it's like a belt thing that helps to keep it down. So it didn't come with any supplies from in the kit. As you saw, the box is empty. But I did purchase some binding wires. This is 1.6 centimeters, and this is 1 inch, and this is a little bit more than a half an inch on here. And the price from Hobby Lobby was $2 for the 0.625 inches, and then $2.99 for the bigger ones, which is the 1 inch. So that is the smaller one, the 0.625, $1.99, and then the $2.99 for the 1 inch, and that has the wires. And you need a pair of wire cutters to actually cut them. And then I bought a couple packs of the chipboard. I actually bought some chipboard from Joann's that was like a 12 by 12. But then when I saw this, I said, let me at least just get the products that came with the tool. So this is an 8 by inch chipboard sheet, and 2 of them come in here. It was $1.99, and it even shows you that you can punch holes in it. I'm sure you're going to have to use some elbow grease. Actually shows you a picture of what you can do and what you can make with it, and that you need a wire cutter. And I did not buy a wire cutter because I actually used to make jewelry, so I have some wire cutters somewhere around here. So I bought a couple of these as well to go with. And in case if you don't know what the chipboard is, let me see if I can. Alright, so you know how the covers are thick? See that little thickness? So that in between the picture or the sticker is the chipboard. That's chipboard. And so you're printing out, from what I saw in the video, you're printing out a sticker to cover the board, and then you're cutting the board and you're shaping it. So that's what I get from the videos that I saw. So that's it for my unboxing of the Cinch. You will definitely see some projects that I make. I'm not sure which I'm going to do first, but you'll definitely see some, and I will create a video, let you know how. I'll leave a link in the description bar down below where you can order a cinch, your very own cinch, from my Amazon store if you choose. I do have to tell you that all of the products that come from my Amazon store, I do get a portion or like a commission from my affiliates at Amazon. Doesn't come from your pocket, it comes from Amazon, so you are definitely helping me out should you decide to purchase this from my Amazon store. That's it for now, guys. See you next time.